My blood sugar numbers were high, and they consistently kept climbing higher, and my A1C numbers kept climbing higher, and I thought, I've got to get better control of this. My name is Pastor Leslie Louie. I am the president of the Carolina Conference of the Seventh-day Adventist Church. I prefer really using the title, a servant leader for the Lord Jesus Christ, and I have been in this capacity for the past 8 years. I decided to come to Wildwood, to be perfectly honest with you, because my wife talked me into it. I primarily came here because I was having a challenge with my diabetes type 2. The other thing is that my weight always seemed to stay at a same level. I could never seem to lose any weight, and it was my goal to lose down to 190 pounds. I've exceeded the goal that I have in terms of being able to reduce my weight below what I had hoped to. And I've also been able to get a tremendous control of my blood sugar levels, and I'm so thankful for that. Probably the best moments of this have been what we call the walk that we have right after each meal. And that walk has helped me not only in terms of utilizing the metabolism that I'd like to facilitate in terms of digestion, but it has also given me an opportunity to spend more time with my wife, and it's been great. It's been some of the best moments that I've had to be able to just take time with my wife on those walks. I definitely would recommend Wildwood to those who are wanting kind of a reset in their lifestyle, and they help you. They give you guidance, they give you principles, they give you wonderful recipes. So I would definitely recommend the experience. The experience has been a wonderful and a memorable time for me while I've been here.